Okay, everybody, let's make a steak and shrimp noodles for the missus. Alright, let's start this off. First, I'm gonna go with some Garlic Brothers sirloin steaks. Sirloin, whatever. Usually I marinate my own steaks, but these came marinated, so let's throw those badasses down. Next, we're gonna do the good old bay grilling shrimp. Let's get it. I like to thaw them out a little bit, but they're all spread. And ready to grill. Let's get it. This is a season I've been using lately, Tone's Tex-Mex. Oh my god, this is one to get. I'm telling you, everybody, you guys would not be sad with this. It's good for eggs, good for just, it's like seasonal, but a little bit better. Alright. So, the original container wasn't that big, so I needed to get a little bit bigger one. Roll some of this on top. Ooh, babe's gonna love this shit. For me, I like to make a little garlic butter beforehand. Just throw on top of my shrimp. Let's get it. Don't forget, you gotta start boiling the water, making the noodles way before. Gotta get this first. A lot of times I like to put salt in there just to make it, a little extra zesty, but right now I'm trying to work on the calorie intake, or sodium intake, so to speak, so let's do it the right way. So the garlic butter is looking good. I'm gonna put it on top. And what I'm gonna do is mix it around. So it's looking nice. After it's looking nice, or how I think it's looking nice, maybe just get some of these pieces and rub that all in. Get it all in there. Alright, so after that I'm gonna throw it in the fridge. Alright, like I was saying, after that I'm gonna throw it in the fridge just for a little bit. I know the steak is pretty seasoned and everything, but one thing I like to do is tenderize it. Sorry if the camera's a little off a little bit. Tenderize it. And it may not be the healthiest, but throw a little bit of this garlic butter on that too, just a little bit. And of course, throw that in the fridge to cool, let all that soak in. Wait till this gets a proper boil. I like to use, it's kind of cheap, but I like to use Columbia thin spaghetti. This works out properly for me. You guys use what you like to use, but this is me. After they get boiling, I like to crack my noodles in half. I know a lot of people like to do it whole, long noodles and let it melt or kind of drip in there, but I like to do it half. Bring that to a boil, wait a couple minutes, and let's start the steak and shrimp. Alright, it's been a couple minutes now. Looks like it's just about time to start making my butter garlic, both for the steak and shrimp, since they do have a butter garlic zest. Let that melt down, let that, not burn the garlic, but make it look sweet and nice, and we'll throw on the meats. And I know I might be getting judged a lot. I like butter garlic. My woman likes butter garlic. We throw it on our noodles. Obviously our steak is seasoned and marinated with a butter garlic zest, so it is what it is. Everybody prefers what they prefer. Let's enjoy this. Alright, once that's melted down almost all the way, kind of let it soak in the garlic. Add some of once again, your Tony's Tex-Mex. Enjoy. And not too much on the steak because it's already seasoned. Alright, let's take this beauty out of the fridge. Oh man. Don't get me in trouble. I know you're not supposed to stack meats like that too much, but they're separated. Let's put one in one and one in the other. So the good thing about these, they are filleted. So let's put all of them fillet down. And then let's also throw this beautiful sirloin right on there. I don't have it going too hot. Alright. Hot enough. It's about 3-4 minutes on each side. I like to melt all the extra juices and seasonings that I got. Kind of throw on top of shrimp that I'm cooking. Just to help out. You know it's almost delicious. Same thing with the steaks. And I might cover this here in just a little bit. Like I said, same thing with the steak. All that extra juice and all the flavor, throw it on top. Alright, that's some cheese noodles. Alright, everybody knows about noodles. If it sticks, oh, it's not done. Gotta clean that later. Oh, one thing that I can't stress enough is gonna be hard to do with the sister to have is basting the meat. Throw all that, cook butter and seasoning stuff. Throw it on top of the meat. Keep doing that for a little bit. Good thing about noodles, they'll tell you when they're done. Oh yeah, those are the right way to do it. Don't worry, babe, I'll clean that up later. Put these beautiful bad boys. Give them a good, probably minute or two on this side. Same thing with this shrimp. Move that shrimp all over the place. Let it enjoy what it's bathing in. I know it has a tendency to jump on one side because it's filet, but let it enjoy that. And usually people like to do an Alfredo, do whatever they do. I like doing a garlic butter with some Parmesan. So I'm gonna let some butter drop in that. No, like I said, it ain't the healthiest meal, but ooh, that woman's gonna love it. Measure out some salt. Alright, at this point you're gonna take your steak off, dice it up so you can get ready to throw it in the noodles. And I know they call it the cook's curse, but that's why we try everything. Look at that. Beautiful medium rare. Oh my god. The same thing and repeat with the shrimp. This is probably about the time to where she's gonna start smelling and wanting some. You'll see.
Oh.
Alright. It may be a little hot, but we just gotta peel the shrimp. Make sure no excess is left on it. And of course, the important part is get the person you're cooking for it goes.
There we go. Flopcast good. Delicious.
Did you cut it? Cut it. Alright, one random thing. All that shrimp butter, because the way she wanted it was it all being mixed together. So I'm gonna throw all my shrimp butter, what I like to call my steak butter, and the shrimp along with my shrimp and my steak. It's like a goulash almost, but throw all that steak and shrimp in there. Mix that around. Might not look the prettiest, but mix that around. See the look on her face. And you gotta plate it. Sometimes, if it doesn't look pretty, that just means it's delicious. I like to put a little Parmesan on mine. She doesn't like that. Let's go see how we did. Man. And that, my friends, is how you do a date night. Whew. A meal that is so good you can eat it, then reheat it. Enjoy, my kings.